Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today we're going to test out the SK flat nose match ammo in my CZ 457 with the IBI barrel. As you remember last week, the SK semi-auto shot very well. Let's see how this stuff stacks up. It's a decently hot day. Wind's variable, but I'll just try to shoot when my wind flag settles down a bit. Not too concerned. For a starter, 10 foulers on the 2-inch sticky down there, just to see where we're impacting and go from there. All the shot data will be recorded here and I'll show it at the end of the video. So you see the velocities and the standard deviation, extreme spreads, stuff like that. Let's get to shooting. Alright, that's our 10 foulers. Let's get into the groups. First group, 5 shots. See how this goes. Well, that one opened up a bit. Not looking the greatest, still looking very good, but see what group number 2 has to offer. Ooh. Well, that one kind of stovepiped in there. Smashed her up pretty good. So, well, we'll see what happens. If it wrecks the group, it wrecks the group. It is what it is. Okay, well, that group was not very nice. Next in line, group number 3. Okay. It didn't eject the last round either, so here we go. That one got stuck in the barrel as well. I've never had this issue with any other ammo yet. So the flat nose match, having a few malfunctions, just to be noted. Oh. Yeah, so the odd one's getting stuck in the chamber here. We'll shoot another 5-shot group, and then we'll do our 10 final shots, and we'll check out the data. course, that last one has to always fly off. So, final 10 rounds on the final sticky. Well, so this stuff doesn't seem to be as consistent as last week's semi-auto rifle. We'll see what happens, but not the best stuff, and this is $1 more than semi-auto rifle as well. It's $9.99 for 50 shots, where the SK semi-auto rifle was only $8.99. Not a big deal, but it shoots way better. This stuff clearly, not for this barrel, I guess, but still shoots very well.